Today we are having a look at how to make $100 a day with Google. Now, I'm going to give you all of the details and I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and then at the end of the video I'm going to show you exactly how you can automate this whole process. But the things to note with this is it's absolutely free to get started with. It's available worldwide. You do not need any skills or any experience, and even if you've never looked at this method or if you've never earned some money online before, you can go ahead and get started with this. Once you've watched this video, you can get this set up within literally 10-15 minutes. It's very minimal effort and time to get this set up, and it also works in any niche. So if you're interested in gaming, if you're into the make money online or weight loss, fit, whatever, it will work in absolutely any niche. So let's go into this video and I'll walk you through the entire process and how you can get all of this set up. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm just going to walk you through this really simple process. I'll show you the websites that you need, and towards the end of the video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how you can go ahead and automate this entire process. So it's really simple, it's easy, you don't need any skills, you do not need any money, and let's just jump into this and you can see exactly how this method works and how you can start doing this yourself. So first of all, we're going to need a product or a service to promote, and there's many different websites that you can go ahead and use to go and find, different products and services. And again, this will work in any niche or topic that you're going to go ahead and focus on. So I'm going to go over here to this website here. This is called ClickBank. If you're a regular viewer, we do look at this website quite a lot. If you're new and you've never been over to ClickBank, well, ClickBank, this is a marketplace where you can go ahead and find products that you can promote and share, and then you earn a commission for doing so. Now, this website is absolutely free to go ahead and sign up with. You just simply create an account. Once you've created an account, you're going to come over here to what is known as the marketplace. So create an account, go up here, click on marketplace, and it will bring you to this page here. Now, on the left hand side, let me scroll this down for you. Here you've got all of your different categories, so you can go into any of these and find any different product or service that you want to promote. In this video I'm going to share an example of a product that I used to promote in the past because it worked really well. But basically on here, if you click here, so if you clicked on arts and entertainment, it would bring up every product within there. If you click this arrow button here, it's going to bring up all subcategories. So again, you can go into this niche here, arts and entertainment, but then you can niche down further and go into this even more. And it's the same on every single one of these here, so you can go ahead and have a look at these. Now you can filter it via all of these different things here, you've got gravity and average sales and everything, but I just literally go in and have a look at this. So on this one here, excuse me, on this one here, I've come into, as you can see here, woodworking. Now I'm looking for, let me show you, this one here, Ted's Woodworking, and the reason why I'm looking for Ted's Woodworking is I know this product sells. I used to promote this myself before, and if you see here where it says gravity, you can see it's sold over 158. There's been over 158 sales in the last 24 hours. And also with this product here, you can see here this average rebuild total. Well, it also offers like a reoccurring monthly payment. So the great thing about this product is once you get a sale of this, you can potentially have a passive income coming in every single month, and it converts really, really well. So you can go through here and you can have a look at this, and you can filter this up here on the left hand side by gravity if you want to, and you can just come through and have a look at this. So Ted's Woodworking, it's a great product. It converts, and it's been on ClickBank for years. So Ted must be absolutely minted. So if you want to go ahead and have a look at any of these products, you click on here and it'll take you to the page. So I'll click on there and I'll go show you the Ted's Woodworking. So you can see here, this is his sales page. So it goes over to here, it's got 16,000 woodworking plans. Scroll down here, you've got the price. It's also then got, it's a sales page. The usual stuff you'd expect to see on a sales page, everything that you get included, instant access on here, then you've got social proof on here, and then you've got more different projects that you can build and all the different stuff that you're going to get. So this converts very well. So this is the products that I'm going to share with you in this example here. This is Ted's Woodworking. So once you've created your free account on ClickBank, you scroll through and you find a product that you want to go ahead and promote. And I'd always say, go ahead and have a look at the sales page here by clicking on this. And in terms of gravity, look for products which have a gravity of 30 and above, because you know that those products are selling, so the sales page is doing something, it's doing what it should be doing and converting people. So once you find a product that you want to promote, you simply click on promote. Then what's going to happen on here is you basically get given a link. Now I'm going to click on generate hop link and I'll show you exactly how this looks so you can see. So you see this down here at the bottom, this is your really ugly long link, and you want to make this it pretty basically and shorten it. So we're going to click on copy. Now I don't use this site anymore because I have my own blog, so I use a link shortener on the back end of my blog. But if this is the first time you're looking at this method, then you can go ahead and use this website here called Bitly. It's absolutely free to go ahead and get started with. So again, go ahead, create an account. Now all you're going to do here is, let me click up there. So you create an account for free, and then up here where it says create, you just simply click on create like this. And then you're going to paste the long URL in here. So I'm going to paste that in there like this. And I'm going to come down to the bottom and click, oh hang on, so I'm going to move my head. I'm going to click on create. And then it's going to give you a link. Now in terms of this link here, what you can do is you can go ahead and edit it. So you see here, this is currently the link. So if I take this link here, this is what would be your link that you would share. Now you can go ahead and you can edit this if you want. So you could change this to, you'd basically change it relevant to the product that you're promoting. So in this example here, you would do Ted's wood. Let's try Ted's woodwork. And what you're going to do is you're going to play around with these until you get one, because this may have gone. So you can see here this custom bit link has already been taken. So what you can do is change it Ted's woodwork 1. Let's see if that goes through. Done. So it's done. So I'm going to click on copy right now, and then once I've got that, I'm just going to go over to Google. Let me do that again. Let me go over to Google, paste in the top here. I'm going to test the link. So always go ahead and just double check and just test that the link is going over to the products that you're promoting. And you can see up here the URL has changed over to tedswoodworking.com. So this is going over to the sales page, which we found. Oh, sorry, the sales page from over on ClickBank of the products that we are promoting. So let me come out of there now. So we've got the product. So we've decided on the product. We've got our link shortener. We've got our new link of which we're going to promote. The next part of this process is going over to Google and finding finding different places that you can go ahead and promote and share that link. So I'm going to go over to Google here. And on Google, all I've typed in is the word woodworking and then plus blog. Now again, this will work in absolutely any niche that you go into. You can do woodworking, you can do one that we've looked at in the past, you can do weight loss, plus blog. You can see it will bring up all of these for you. Then once you've hit search and gone into there, Google is going to show you, obviously it's going to show you lots of blogs, but instead of scrolling through all of these, what you can do is, normally when you type this in, you'll always find like a roundup post. So you see this here, this is classed as a roundup post then, because this one here is featuring top 50 woodworking blogs. So you can go into these and funnily enough, it'll show you 50 blogs, but you can go into those 50 blogs, you can go over to the blog, you can have a look at that, and this whole process is going to be geared around blog comments. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean. So once you've typed in your niche or your niche or your topic plus blog, you go in here, you find different blogs, then you're going over to the blogs and having a look to see if you can comment on the page. Because some blogs, believe it or not, do not let you comment on a page. So this is this blog here about woodworking. Now scroll down here, you can see all this here. So all of this here is very relevant to our product over here. This Ted's Woodworking. It's very relevant to this. So I'm going to go back over to the blog, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of here, and then you're simply going to have a look to see if you can leave blog comments on here. Now scroll right down to the bottom. This is a big blog article. So you see, I can see all of the comments available on here. So this is how this works. Once you've got your product that you're going to promote, you go onto Google, you find blogs which allow and accept comments on here, and then you're going to go and type in a comment. Now on here, normally on these blogs, it'll say name, URL and comment. Now what you don't want to do is, where it says URL, you don't want to go ahead and paste that link in there. Absolutely not, because what they'll probably do is they'll probably just go ahead and delete your comment and not let it put in there. So you put in your name or name on here, and it doesn't have to be a real name, it can be like an online alias if you like, but then you're going to go ahead and you put in a comment. Now your comment, it needs to be relevant to the actual article. So you would read this article here, and looking at this, it's talking about, you know, creating your own tools and woodworking products. So you're going to come down here, and you would put something along the lines of this. But I'm not going to. Please don't copy this. Read the article that you're looking at commenting on. Go through, and then you're just going to simply put something like this. Really great tips in here. I found this. You can do it in two ways. You can put something like this. I found this fantastic ebook and course all about woodworking, and then you can put your link in here like this. So you can put, and again, this is just a really brief example, so you can put on here really great tips in here. I found this fantastic ebook and I found this really fantastic ebook and course about woodworking. I highly recommend it. But I think you kind of get the picture. Now what you can also do is, when it comes to this, you can go ahead down this route and put, you know, things that you recommend on here. But what I've found when I've been doing these blog comments in the past, and when I used to do this, I always used to go like down a different route. So I used to leave something like really great tips in here. Been looking into this for a while. I have seen this product and it has great feedback. Have you ever heard of it? Or would you recommend? And the reason why I find that this works better and it gets approved, because you're not just going ahead and basically spamming the articles. You're going to go ahead, you read the articles, you then leave a comment down below about the article, and then you're asking a question here, aren't you? So you can say, I've been looking into this for a while, I've seen this product and it has great feedback. Have you ever heard of it, or would you recommend it? Then you put your link in, and then what will happen is, 9 times out of 10 or 8 times out of 10, this will go ahead and get approved on their blog, and then everyone who comes over to this blog article here, they will see this, they will see your comment below, and then they will also see your link here. And then what happens is people click on your link, they go over into the sales page, the sales process, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you earn a commission for doing so. Now I found that this works, like I said, this works better because you're genuinely asking a question about this product. Now this is just one blog here. Now when we looked at this when we looked at the search results a minute ago, there was over 50 different blogs on here. Now you can go ahead and comment on as many different blogs every single day as you want, and these are all evergreen because basically you're getting this product here, this Ted's Woodworking, you're getting this product in front of a relatable audience, because everyone who's coming over to this blog here and reading this article about why I should build my own tools with wood, they're going to be very interested in this Ted's Woodworking product here. And then when they go over to the sales page and they land on there and they see absolutely everything that's available on this Ted's Woodworking and everything that you get on here, you see all this. This is completely exactly the sort of thing that they would be interested in and look at over on this blog here. So you go through, you go into all these blogs, leave a relatable comment. Please don't just spam, you know, go and buy this product, etc. Leave a decent comment, ask a question, and put a link over to the product that you're promoting basically down below here. So that's the process. Now how you can automate this and speed up the entire process, you can go over here. I'm going to go over onto Google Alerts. Now on here, what you can do is you can create an alert around woodworking blogs. You can see I've got one down here for weight loss blogs, but you're simply going to come on here and you're going to type in woodworking blogs. Now here, click on show options. Now how often do you want to get an alert on here? So automatic English region, only the best results at least once a day. I'd leave this on once a day. Now you can edit this, you can see you can do it as it happens, at most once a day, at most once a week. So if you've got a bit of time on your hands, you can click on here as it happens and then click on create an alert. And then what's going to happen is every time a new blog article is being put onto Google about woodworking, Google will then send you an email notifying you, and then you can go over to that new blog which has just published a post about woodworking. You can go ahead, leave your comment with your products down below in the comments, and then it basically, what I really like about this method is it's an evergreen topic, because these comments, they're going to be up on these blogs for years to come, and basically until the blogs come down. So that is today's video. That is how you can earn up to $100 a day. You can earn more, you can earn less. It'll just depend on how much effort and time you're going to go ahead and put into this. But if you have any questions, leave them below for me. But thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.